Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, me and Ellie are out here at the Cabover, where the Cabover is located actually. So I don't have much time today to work on the Cabover, but we're gonna go ahead. I got my little international tractor running. We're gonna hook the mower up to it and mow some of this grass down, because I showed up and I just seen like 3 snakes. So we're gonna go ahead and mow down and spray some Roundup out here. Keep the snakes away as much as we can. And then I'm gonna try and clean out the cab of the truck. Get the headliner and the door. Ellie, get up here. Gosh, dogs. So we're gonna try and clean the cab up a little bit, and then maybe next week or sometime we'll pressure wash it all. I want to pressure wash everything to get the dirt off the engine, and so we can pull the valve covers off, pour oil down the injector ports, and get that going. So, but I want to pressure wash all that and get it cleaned up a little better. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and get the tractor going, and we will start trying to mow as much as we can and spread the Roundup. All right, guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I got just a little bit mowed, what I can with that tractor. It's a little harder to drive, just because it's a stick. Thought I seen a snake under there. But anyways, so we got it. Man, I really like that tractor. I got it from my, what is it? Grandfather-in-law, my wife's grandpa. He gave it to me, so it's just a great tractor. The implement, that mower on it, is kind of rough. I would say probably 16 years. Didn't have no oil in the gearbox. The blades are trashed on it. The top deck of it is kind of rusted out, but it's a good mower for what I use it for every once in a while. This is what we got done. Just back behind there, mowed this right here a little bit so we can get back by here easier if we need to. But it starts dropping off, so I didn't want to go back any further. I'd like to move the truck over when we can one day. I got a bunch of stuff I need to do, but I guess we can start pulling this. I need to do some work to the tractor real quick. I need to air this tire up, and I need to jump start this welder because it's dead. So that's what we'll do. But the only thing I've done to this tractor is change the oil, put new spark plugs in it, and I put a new seat on it. That's why I got it covered so the sun don't hit it. But other than that, it's a great little tractor. I fixed the rims on it. The rims are rusted out completely, so I cut everything out right there where you see the blue is, and redid everything, put new tubes in it, but it's original tires on the tractor. It's a gas Nissan engine. It's a 84 International 284. So it's a great little tractor to have around. But anyways, let's I'm gonna air those tires up, jump that welder, let it run for a little bit, and then we'll start working in the cab here and pulling that stuff out. All right guys, so I didn't even have to jump start this welder off. It started already. The battery's been dead every time I try to start it, and it never wants to run. So I guess it is what it is. So I'm got my handy dandy container that I use for everything to put in. And so we're gonna go through here. There's like all these U-joint deals for the drive shaft that's in, gosh, you guys can't see nothing. And that's in here. I'm putting this on these guys. So I'm gonna clean this up, see what I can grab inside the floor here, and just clean out everything I can, and we'll put it in this bucket, and then everything else is gonna go on the ground. Sounds weird. So I got a door so I can roll the window down on this side, you know, with the crank. You come over to the passenger side and there's no crank. So I don't know if these trucks, if they didn't come with a crank on this side of the door, there's nothing here. It should be right in here. There's no way. I don't know how you, unless it's got a motor. That's what that wire is for right there. Is there a switch on the other side for the driver's side to roll the window down, maybe? I'm guessing that might be it. But I thought that was kind of weird. I'd like to have a crank on it instead of a electrical. It's really nasty in here. It stinks. You know, it hasn't got any better since it's been parked here. So I'm working here. It's got a pile of cat poop and other kind of poop, rat poop, whatever you want to call it. And it's just so dirty in here. I don't know. It's just crazy how much, like, I don't know what it is on the floor. It's either dirt or poop, dissolved, broken down poop. I don't know what it is, but it's coming out of here like crazy. This thing is just so freaking compact in here. It's ridiculous. Got some old school wobble pop tops. Like vice grip says wobble pop, like vice grip, but old school. There's just a boatload of cockroaches in there coming out. Everything is just living in here. I brought a respirator, but man, it's so damn hot out here. I don't even really want to. I forgot my container. Dang it. It is good. If you guys want a little tech tip, get your old coffee can here, leave a couple grains in there, bottom of it, and just leave it beside you while you're pulling the stuff out. It smells like coffee and not crap. Alright guys, so I got most of the roof liner off. It's like it's had like 3 roof liners on it. You can see that one. I don't know if you can see that one at the end. Then it had like a wood one, really thin piece of wood, and then it had like another one over that had this black vinyl on it. So I don't know if it was the roof, they redid the interior on it or whatever, but it had all this wood material facing the outside, like this grain right here, like they had that showing, and then another layer of foam with the vinyl on it, and then they had this stuff the first time in there. So I got my respirator on. It is bad in there. It is bad. Let me just go ahead and show you the back of it. I've been pulling this stuff out, just mess. Man, it stinks in here. Okay. So that's what I'm doing, just getting it out as much as I can. Get it out of there so we don't have to smell it. Hopefully the smell goes away. I wanted to kind of keep these panels, but they're just destroyed. There's no reason to even keep them. I'll probably just leave it bare and clean it up and paint it. Not even put a panel on there. Alright guys, so I got it mostly cleaned out, most of the loose stuff out. I'm going to go ahead and start unscrewing some of these panels that aren't coming off, and we'll get rid of those. Let me show you real quick on what I pulled out of the cab, just the loose stuff. So this whole pile here of stuff and junk. So found a couple animal bones inside. So anyways, let me jump in there. I'll set you guys up. We'll take these panels off. Alright, I'm gonna go to the other side. That's what it looks like. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today. Cleaning that cab out. I gotta run, do some other stuff. So I'm gonna clean up here, get ready to go. I got my oils and stuff in that storage compartment there. And yeah, that's all we're gonna be doing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a short video, not much happened, just cleaning the cab out. But we're gonna get to the truck as soon as we can. I'm just super busy, and I only can do it on the weekends. So if you like the, get you in the light, there you go. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Like everyone says, it's free. And leave a comment if you have any. And well, that's I think all I have to say for today. Y'all take care.